Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to add a free VPN on Windows 10 or Windows 11. To do this, go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select network and internet, on right side select VPN and select add a VPN option. And now open up Chrome and search VPN book and press enter. Select the first site and select the free VPN accounts on the top. Close the ad. Scroll down free PPTP VPN. So scroll down. You just need to copy this address. Depends on whatever country VPN you need. For example, I'm going with US, so I'm copying this address and then go back to settings. In connection name, whatever name you want, type it, and server name or address to paste the address we copied. VPN type, click on the drop down and select PPTP. Type sign in option, username and password. Go back to the site and copy the username and password. Password not able to copy. As you can see, I tried to copy, it's can't copy it. As you can see. So I'm typing it HUBA 7 odd E. Check it one time. HUBA 7 odd E. Select the save option and now select connector. Now the VPN will be started connecting. And now the VPN is successfully connected, as you can see. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.